you doing? Yeah, you're going so fast for us. Where you headed to? Riverdale? Okay. Still living up in Grayson? Okay. Yeah, I got you at 91 coming back there on the interstate.
What starts as a simple speeding stop quickly spirals into something far more dangerous. A trooper clocks a motorcycle blasting down the interstate at over 90 miles per hour. Instead of slowing down, the rider pushes harder. Within moments, radio traffic lights up, aviation is requested, and a high-speed pursuit begins through some of the busiest highways in Atlanta. One wrong move at these speeds could turn catastrophic. The question now, how long can this rider keep it up before officers close the gap?
Well, y'all late for something or just trying to hurry up? Just driving? I got you. All right. Well, here's a lot of space. Do me a favor, slow down. We're fast now. Let me go after him. Show me no action on that one. Anybody's 85 southbound on the road, you got a motorcycle coming to you pretty hot. Aviation for me on trip 6. If anybody's northbound in Lennox, we're coming to you. Aviation's down. Alright, coming up on Lennox. Left lane, left lane.
The rider is now weaving through dense interstate traffic, even using the shoulder to pass vehicles at extreme speeds. Dispatch coordinates with aviation, while ground units attempt to keep visual contact. This is one of the most dangerous parts of any pursuit. At over 100 miles per hour, a single car drifting into the lane could end this instantly. Would you keep pushing the chase here, or back off and let the helicopter track the suspect from above?
Trying to go back 400 south, and jumped the curve. He almost 1050 came off the pipe. Getting caught up in the traffic. About 1050 into the back of another car. He is far right lane, using the right shoulder. Coming up the lane, coming up the lane. There where you're at, there where you're at. Moving all the way over to the right, all the way over to the right, and taking the exit ramp. Taking Lennox, taking Lennox. Trying to go back 400 south, and jumped the curve. He almost 1050 came off the pipe. I think the tag's G361 or 36I maybe. Going back 400 south. They were going to go 400 southbound. Far left lane. Coming up on a little bit more traffic. length it again. All right, back left, back left. Back there. All right, stay in south, stay in south. Connector south, connector south. They're on 85 south corner. Far right shoulder, far right shoulder. Tickle Phoenix. There's Tickle Phoenix, far right shoulder. In the back of another car, and we're still staying connector south, connector south. We're still 85 south on the same mark. HOV lane, HOV lane. There's HOV lane. Highway, we ran on the curve, coming up to 75, still HOV lane. Going all the way over to the right. Gonna take 75, taking 75. Clear in the right lane, about 675 northbound. North, 75 north. They're on 75 north, 85 south. I got somebody else behind me, I don't know who it is. We're coming up on Northside Drive, and he is using the left shoulder to pass, left shoulder to pass. Clear northbound, Northside Drive, left shoulder to pass. Keep down that corner. Number three lane, going back over to HOV lane.
After miles of high-risk riding through Atlanta's highways, the pursuit finally comes to an end, and officers quickly move in to secure the rider. What started as speeding escalated into a reckless chase and a DUI arrest, a reminder that running only makes things worse. If you enjoy real police pursuit breakdowns like this one, hit the like button, share your thoughts below, and subscribe for more real chase analysis.
Yep, taking Moore's Mill. Making its way over the number two lane, number two lane. There it is, number two lane. All the way over to the right, I believe. They might be trying to take Moore's Mill, might be trying to take Moore's Mill. Yep, taking Moore's Mill. Get the fuck up! Roll over! Roll over! Roll over! Hands behind your back! Atlanta 1050, 1095. At what point in time did you think that was a good fucking idea? Huh? Yeah, that's what I thought. Yeah, I'm trying, man.
Oh, I'm not firing.
Yeah, I see it. I see it.
Can you get my phone, please?
Hey, I see it.
Can you get it, please? I don't want to get shot, please.
It's going. It's going. It's
My
going.
music is playing. I can't hear anything.
Take
Take it off.
Hey, it's gone.
I'm on a surprise.
It's going. Going off highway. You can come talk to him if you want to, but I think he's fine.
He just needs to keep his neck still.
He's wanting to take his helmet off. You can try to take it off real quick. We got to cut
I'm a
this.
nurse, so we're trying to keep him still, okay?
Yeah.
You need to loosen it, sir. Are you hurt anywhere?
No. Finish the rest.
No. Just stay still. You know, it's not even worth your life to run from it. You know, I'm sitting there, what are you doing? I'm sitting there praying for you.
Hi, I can't
And
get
my
that one.
teenage daughter.
There's a second,
I'm trying to get it. There we go. Here, let go.
We can work it. Pull over.
All right, listen to her, okay? He's going to tell you how to keep your neck safe. All right, I'm going to try to get your backpack off, okay? Because I know it's probably heavy.
undo the things and then get it out?
Yeah. Can you roll over?
Yes, sir.
All right, roll it this way, just like that. Keep your head straight.
Yes, sir. And my name is Taylor Key.
Okay. Or that.
It's T365.
Your tag came off. No, it didn't. How much you had to drink, man? I only got your helmet off.
None.
None?
I had 2 beers, actually.
2 beers?
Yeah.
Okay.
I was just leaving for the trip.
Okay, well, listen to me real quick, okay?
Yes, sir.
So,
I want to comply.
yeah, that's fine. I'm trying to tell you some information, okay? I'm not trying to yell at you or anything. I'm just trying to give you some information right now, okay?
I'm going to jail.
Well, obviously.
Yeah.
But based off the fact that you reek of the odor of alcohol, you're also being charged with DUI at this point, okay? Do you
DUI,
understand?
let's say.
Yeah, at this point.
I mean, can we do a field sobriety test?
No, not after this, no. I'll give you a breathalyzer. You want a breathalyzer?
I mean,
I'll give you one of those. I can do that, but we ain't doing field sobriety after that wreck. Listen to me. How old are you? 27? Okay.
26.
26, okay. So this is your Georgia implied consent notice for suspect age 21 or over. The state of Georgia has conditioned your privilege to drive upon the highways of this state upon your submission to state-administered chemical tests of your blood, breath, urine, or other bodily substances for the purpose of determining if you're under the influence of alcohol or drugs. If you refuse this testing, your Georgia driver's license or privilege to drive on the highways of this state will be suspended for a minimum period of 1 year. Your refusal to submit to blood or urine testing may be offered into evidence against you at trial. If you submit to testing and the results indicate an alcohol concentration of 0.08 grams or more, your Georgia driver's license or privilege to drive on the highways of this state may be suspended for a minimum period of 1 year. After first submitting to the requested state test, you are entitled to additional chemical tests of your blood, breath, urine, or other bodily substances at your own expense or from qualified personnel of your own choosing. Will you submit to the state-administered chemical test of your blood? Okay. You still want to take the breathalyzer? No? So, yes, it is DUI, let's say.
I'm just is an ambulance coming. You guys are.
Yeah, we got one coming. It might take them a while. It's Grady, so I don't know. Offense. Yeah, I'll work on that for you. Everything's in disarray right now, man. Hey, you want to watch him so I can grab my hat?
Yeah, it's all covered in southbound, and you're cancel.